multiplication, you speak of products. It's coming back now. You should then have been caught in the first place. When you speak of division, the one that we usually forget also, you speak of quotient. Those words are associated with the operation. So when I speak of product, I mean multiplication. So if I ask you, what is the product of 5 and 2? I mean, what is the product of 5 and 2? The product of it is 10. Yeah? What is the product of A and A? It's A times A, which is A to the power of 2. Right, so when we speak of products, we also speak of the parts or components that make up the product. What makes up a product? What are these things called of the product? This is going to help you to understand the laws. The law that is being used here, it's going to help you to understand the terminology being used inside the law. Because the law is made up of words. If you don't understand what the words mean, then the law is useless to you. You're going to end up memorizing what to do. So, I have a product here, but we'll get to that now. What is the product here? It's the product of 5 and 2. What makes up the product? In other words, what do I call 5 and 2? They have names in the product. What are they called? Let me take away the A and A first. And then I also want to talk about 5 plus 2. And in this case, they have different names. Same numbers, different names. Why? Because there's a different operation taking place. So when they are being multiplied, they are called. Come on. Factors. They are called factors. Factors, remember, these factors multiply to give you 10. 5 and 2 are factors of 10, and 10 is a multiple of 5 and 2. Primary school, remember? 10 is a multiple of 5 and 2 because if I count in 5s, I will get to 10. If I count in 2s, I will get to 10. And 5 and 2 are both factors of 10 because both of them can divide into 10. Primary school. Are we remembering this? Maybe not, but is it coming back? Okay, if it's not coming back, just put that on ice quickly. I want you to remember now that 5 and 2 are factors when it's a product. When it's a sum, what are they called now? What are they called now? Factors still? No. They are now called what? Multiples. You're just making stuff up now. What are they called now?
Numbers.
They are called terms. What separates terms? Plus and minus. So 5 and 2 are terms, are they not? Because they are being separated by a plus. Are we together? So, what I want to show, let's quickly just take away the terms here. I want to focus on factors. So, if I have them A times B times C, algebraic language tells me I can write this as ABC. Because I don't need to show the multiplication signs. Remember that? Remember that?
Yes.
Did you ever know that?
Yes.
Okay. In this product, I've got 1, 2, 3 factors. This is the same product. I still have 1, 2, 3 factors. Yeah? If I have something like 2 multiplied by x squared multiplied by y, I know algebraic language tells me I don't have to write the multiplication signs there. I can just say 2x squared y. Are we still together, people? You're very quiet now. So in this product, I've got 1, 2, 3 factors. Yeah, the same way I've got 2 factors here. I've got 1, 2, 3 factors. I still have 1, 2, 3 factors. I'm getting at something here. Are you still following me?
Yes, sir.
If I now have a better idea now about what factors are and products are, if I go back here and I ask you, is this a product? Will you tell me yes or no? What is 5x to the power 3? What is in between 5 and x to the power 3? How are they attached? By means of multiplication. 5x to the power 3 is 5 times x to the power 3. So, is that a product? Yes. How many factors are in the product? 2. It's 5 and x to the power 3. Let's clear this quickly. See, I didn't even touch the sum yet because we need to take care of some language issues first. Okay? So I've got a product here that has 1, 2 factors, and the law says that when I have a product raised to a power, then each factor of the product must be raised to that power. What power? The power of 2. So I can then say, if I apply the law, I'm going to have to raise 5 to the power 2, and I must raise the other factor to the power 2. Now, this simplifies then to 25 and x to the power 6. Now, this is where the other law comes in. There's a second law being applied here, which is a power raised to another power. In that case, the law says I must just multiply the powers or multiply the exponents. So that's the final answer. So what have I done here the entire time since I started? I was only applying laws. I'm a lawyer. Because that's what I'm doing. Are we getting this, people?
Yes.
I feel like we're not.